Owen's home kitchen. Today we'll be making sushi. I guess it'll be a sushi series because I'm going to do like 3 different rolls. I'm not going to do all 3 rolls today, but I have an idea for 3 rolls. So we'll start with a dynamite roll today. Okay, so I'll grab some rice. So I'm going to grab 2 cups of the Calrose rice, or the small grain rice is a good one to use. So 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice, 2.5 cups of water. All right. So we're gonna take our rice and we're gonna just wash the rice. When you wash the rice, you just wash it until it becomes clear. Cold water, of course. What you're looking for is clean, clear water. And then now we could, we're gonna steam the rice because this Ninja Foodie has a steamer, so that works perfect. So we're gonna dump the rice in, just kind of flatten them out, and 2.5 cups of water. Yeah, I've cooked a lot of rice in my cooking days, and I have a lot of sushi rice to use up, so this is perfect. Now we're gonna steam them for 15 minutes, take a look, and then we'll hopefully have some nice, beautiful sushi rice. And I'll show you a very cool technique to make sure it cools down fast. Steam. All right, thinking 15 minutes. And I just diced up some cucumber. I had some that are peeled and some that are unpeeled. We'll see how it works. Some crispy onions. Prawns are getting all soft. What we're gonna do, show you what we're gonna do with the rice. And then after that, we'll do a tempura batter for the prawns. Medium heat for the fire for our marinade for our rice. So we need 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1/2 cup. Okay, tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of white sugar, teaspoon of salt in there. Heat until the sugar dissolves. It's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna dump this into our rice. Turn the fire off. This is dissolved, and we're gonna dump it into Mr. Rice. Okay, and we're just gonna toss our sushi rice in the fridge to let it cool off. Oh yeah, change of attire. So we're gonna get ready and start our tempura batter. Get all my ingredients ready first. Okay, so in a bowl we have 3/4 of a cup potato starch, 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose, teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of pepper, just a dash of pepper. I like pepper. All right, mix this up a little. Egg, partially beaten, toss that in there. 1/2 cup of cold water, and we're just gonna mix this until it's all combined. Well, until smooth. Until smooth. All right. A bit thick. So I just added a touch of water. That's a better consistency for a batter. Tempura batter for our prawns. Now we'll get our deep fryer going. Japanese mayonnaise, because mayonnaise usually, I looked at all the ingredients of what traditional mayonnaise is, and the only 2 ingredients they didn't have in there was rice wine vinegar and sugar. So there we go. Now we have some nice Japanese mayo. Our oil's heating up for our prawns. Sushi rice should be cold. Ooh, it's still a little warm, but getting cold. The prawns. Show you a little trick with the prawns. Pretty sure they're pretty much all deveined. Yeah, they're deveined, ready to go. These aren't very big prawns, but we can work with them. Okay. Make it a little slit right here. It's supposed to help not them curl up in the fryer. So, well, they will curl up a little bit, but that's all right. And if you see a little vein in there, take it out, because they are small prawns, so we can fry a bunch of them at the same time. No problem. And take the basket into fryer. Okay, so we take our prawns, toss them into Mr. Batter. So they're fully coated. Okay. Yeah, just kind of pull them back and forth. Boom, boom, boom. Slowly drop them in. Nice and golden brown. Alright, pull them out. See that blue, beautiful color in there? Yummy. Alright. So right when they come into the fryer, just hit them with a little bit of salt, and voila. There's your tempura shrimp. We're doing another round of shrimps. Alright, we're gonna roll some dynamite rolls. A sheet of nori. See, it works better with the roll, so it's more bite-sized pieces. You can actually do them in half, because if you do a whole roll, it's a very big sushi. So we want bite-sized pieces. That's why I'm doing it in perfectness like so. Nori, lovely little thing there. Sushi rice. Okay. Makes it stick to the hands again. That's why I have water here, so it doesn't stick to Mr. Hands. Okay. Now, flip them over. Okay. Now, build a roll. Okay. It's always nice to have a tail sticking out at the end. I did forget one thing last time, but that's okay. Always nice to put sesame seeds on top. Oh, actually, I have some peeled and unpeeled cucumber, so we'll give the unpeeled one a try because it has just a bit of bitterness. It's quite good. So you can do either peeled or not. All good. Avocado. Small little pieces of avocado. Voila. Sesame seeds. Japanese mayo. Right here. Okay. Crispy onions. Okay, now we're gonna roll them up. Alright. Roll them up like so. Beautiful. Okay. Nice beautiful roll. All rolled up. Roll them onto the cutting board. Okay. Your knife is sharp. And now we're gonna slice our rolls. I got a cucumber and an avocado stain at the end. Oh well, adds character. Okay. I guess in the near future I have to buy a sushi knife. Shape them again after you cut them. Helps to watch many sushi videos if you get a chance. Ooh, this is a better roll. I can tell already. Some's getting better. Right on. Again, more, and more. There you go. And there is your dynamite roll. All right. Not quite a sushi master yet, but maybe one day. There's chefs that do this for a living, so yeah, I'm definitely not there yet. I'm just learning about sushi. Let's give our dynamite roll a try. Okay. Amazing. You get a little bit of the crunch from the course of prawn and the crispy onions, and totally awesome dynamite roll. Comparable to every time I've had dynamite rolls, they rank right up there. So they're really, really good. So definitely a really good effort. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you. See you next time.